Welcome to Progressive Telecom, your partner in innovative communication solutions. Today, we'll guide you through setting up SMS alerts for seamless and effective communication. Understanding SMS alerts. SMS alerts are a powerful tool for instant communication. From appointment reminders to emergency notifications, they ensure your message is delivered promptly and reliably. Benefits of SMS alerts. Why choose SMS alerts? They offer immediate delivery, boast high open rates, and reach a wide audience. Whether for business or personal use, SMS alerts keep everyone informed in real time. Setting up SMS alerts step by step. Let's walk through setting up your SMS alerts. First, log in to your Progressive Telecom account. Navigate to the Alerts section and click on Create New Alert. Enter the alert details, including the message content, recipient list, and scheduling preferences. Customize your alerts to fit your specific needs. Once done, click Save, and your alert is set. Customizing your alerts. Customization is key. From promotional messages to security notifications, the possibilities are endless. Ensuring reliability and compliance. Our platform ensures your alerts are delivered securely and adhere to all regulatory standards, safeguarding your data and maintaining trust. Ready to enhance your communication strategy? Set up SMS alerts with Progressive Telecom today. Visit our website for more information and start optimizing your messaging now.